Arabia, the lady in the wheelchair, and she send the little boy at the hotel with you at Jamaica, Queens, and you the boy.
Address something. The lady named MoMo has a video wherein, let me address this. Let me call her name. The lady by name MoMo, get this. Come with an allegation that is very serious, coming to play a joke. But when we find out how it go, but people only need suing no work, so you know go like this. MoMo have her son to act as if that him is someone we know me. MoMo make her son call some voice note setting up stating that him come around me and me molest him. Someone tell me that is MoMo's son. But from the own camp, tell me say she use her son do it. But this thing has been going on from when? From December. And most people hear it. But I want to say to MoMo, with that allegation or what you want to call it, come forward, play it for the people, and come forward with your witness or your victim. I am setting up a team, the Blinganaires and the royal family team, to analyze what you're saying and let you know, come with it. Come with the receipt and put it on the platform, and we don't want you to keep quiet with it. Get the young man and get all you have to get and come with your receipt, so we bring down RT if he go down if him involved in it. So stop playing game and put the man in a accusation. If you have it to say you have witnessed that the man raped a little boy with a serious allegation, come forward. Come forward. And that's what we want the Blinganaires and the royal family to do. Press her, annoy her, tag her, come forward. We want to bring him down, make me give a receipt. That's what I'm asking for. Because I can't tired for people that text me and say, me hear something this and me hear something this. So I want you to tell them, come with receipt. Make the man go down. So when you see MoMo, the video clip where you say you have with RT molest the little boy, I need you to get that video. I need you to get that little boy and come forward so we can get this thing. Cause RT too much. Every day I bring down people. You know, see, when I do to cheese, him too much. So come with the receipt, come platform out there, willing to hear you out for coffee RT. Please, I'm asking you, MoMo, come with the receipt. Moving on now. Where me for touch? So me touch. So I want to say something to you guys. The allegation is not an allegation. The situation with cheese and so forth, with the England excitement, that's real. But want you to know something. Cheese don't have any papers and people who need to warn her, not me. Mind you, you are posting a picture of me. Go and type in RT Gone Global and you'll realize if that's not a company. She's been posting picture of me. She's saying that me a scammer and she leaked my business place at Delaware information on her live. That's harassment to my business when me pay tax in a foreign along with me. Then she harassed the secretary by putting out the secretary information, because in America you can pay a file. You can pay for seek people information, but me have money my own private. But she do those steps where she do not remember, may God forgive me for saying this, that is similar things with Ivani. But because them don't them not understand, and let me say something to you is, if that girl got deported, me no gonna say me. Because true I mean talk most things. But I'm just gonna say something to you and more you know this. My woman know about law and the argument finish.